Hi,
Hi.
welcome to Talking with Suki.
I suck.
I thought I'd take this opportunity to talk a little bit about the dark side of Cliffy.
Dark side suck?
Oh, yeah, he comes off all cute and everything when he's talking in his videos. Well, let me tell you something. You see how cute it is when you're laying next to him and he lets off one of those silent but deadlies. Not so cute then, is it?
No, poor suck.
Sookie needs some airtime too. Sookie like TV.
Oh, you do suck?
Yes, Sookie gonna be a big star someday.
Yeah, Suki.
Yeah, silver screen and everything.
Mama loves you, baby.
Baby loves mommy.
Oh, I love you, pretty girl.
You should have Sookie talking too.
Okay, I will, baby
You
girl.
better. You know why?
Why?
Let's just say, don't sleep at night. 'Cause I'm coming for you,
Oh my gosh,
Mama!